Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will discuss about class 10th biology chapter control and coordination chapter का important question for board exam. Very short 1 to 2 marker. What is coordination? What are hormones? Why are they called chemical messenger? Name the hormone secreted by the pituitary gland. What is the function of thyroxine? Why is iodine necessary for our body? What is the function of insulin? Name the hormone secreted by the adrenal gland. What happens when adrenaline is released into the blood? What is phototropism? Give one example. What is geotropism? What is hydrotropism? Give an example. What is chemotropism? What is nastic movement? Give an example. Why do Mimosa pudica leaves folded when touched? Name the male and female hormones. Explain the role of auxin in phototropism. Differentiate between trophic and nastic movement. Explain how plants coordinate their activities in the absence of nervous system. Explain the role of adrenaline during an emergency situation. Explain the importance of iodine and thyroxine in the human body. Explain the role of insulin in controlling blood glucose. Differentiate between nervous coordination and hormonal coordination. Explain the function of pituitary gland. Explain positive and negative trophic movement with example. Most important, explain the human endocrine system with the help of a table showing endocrine gland hormone secreted major function. Explain reflex action and reflex arc with a neat and cleaned labeled diagram. Explain how nervous and hormonal system coordinate different activities in humans. Describe different types of trophic movement in plant and with suitable example. Explain the following: phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, chemotropism. Describe the role of the following hormones: growth hormone, thyroxine, adrenaline, insulin, testosterone, and estrogen. Assertion, reason, and competency question. Assertion: the suit bent towards the light. Reason: auxin promote greater cell elongation on the shaded side. Assertion: iodized salt is recommended in our diet. Iodine is required for the production of thyroxine. Assertion: adrenaline increases heart rate during an emergency. The body needs increased blood and oxygen supply for rapid action. A plant is kept near a window and its shoots bend towards the light. Identify the movement and explain its mechanism. A person suddenly touches a hot object and immediately withdraw the hand. Explain the pathway responsible for this response. Top 10 must do question. Explain phototropism and the role of auxin. Explain reflex arc with label diagram. Explain the human endocrine system. Differentiate nervous and hormonal coordination. Explain the role of adrenaline. Explain iodine deficiency and the role of thyroxine. Explain insulin and blood glucose regulation. Differentiate tropic and nastic movements. Explain different types of tropic movement. Explain how plants coordinate without a nervous system. Quick revision. Coordination helps in regulating the body function and maintaining internal balance. कोऑर्डिनेशन सहायता करता है बॉडी को रेगुलेट करने में और फंक्शन और मेंटेन करने में इंटरनल बैलेंस को. नर्वस कोऑर्डिनेशन इज फास्ट एंड शॉर्ट लाइव्ड. नर्वस सिस्टम फास्ट और शॉर्ट लाइव्ड होता है. हार्मोनल कोऑर्डिनेशन इज स्लो बट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. लेकिन हार्मोनल कोऑर्डिनेशन स्लो होता है लेकिन लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होता है. प्लांट show movement in response to stimuli through hormones and growth. प्लांट शो करते हैं मूवमेंट स्टिमुलाई के रिस्पॉन्स में, हार्मोन और ग्रोथ के थ्रू. ट्रॉपिक मूवमेंट आर डायरेक्शनल, नेस्टिक मूवमेंट एंड नॉन डायरेक्शनल. Hormones and are chemical messengers secreted by the endocrine gland into the body. Hormones chemical messenger हैं जो कि endocrine gland के द्वारा secrete किए जाते हैं blood में. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like share the videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.